Welcome back to the Production Diaries. I'm Kenny Bobble. All of Halloween Horror Nights begins right here in this little room. This is the art and design department. So, we've got some special access. Let's head on back. This is where concept and design all begins. That's when TJ Manarino and his team start bouncing around ideas. What's scary? What have we done? What haven't we done? How can we take things to the next level? But come on back. I'm going to introduce you to the man himself, TJ's office. And look at all these toys. TJ Manarino is the director of art and design, and basically he's been working like a madman over the past few months getting Halloween all together. And he's going to tell us a little bit about concept and design.
Thanks, Kenny. Yeah, I want to tell you where we've been for the last few months. Halloween's concept and design starts at the previous year's end. When we finished last year's Halloween, we actually started on the concept design for this year's event. We start first with concept meetings. The design teams meets many a times in the early months of the year. From those discussions, usually pencil sketches come from that. But quick thumbnails of an emotion, of a fear, of maybe even just a visual element. The next step is blue line drawings. Concept blue lines take one step farther from the pencil sketches. It creates an environment, it creates a scene, it creates maybe an element within a haunted house. We get out of concept, we move into design. Design takes us into the elevations, the design documents. These are AutoCAD drafting, it's ground plans of our haunted houses, it's elevations of some of the walls and some of the facades. From this point, these architectural renderings or elevations are colorized. They're brought into the computer. The computer becomes our most vital tool at this point. We do all of the different textures, the different paint treatments between the aged peeling paint to the different types of elements of plaster and distressed wood treatments. From this point, architectural ground plans are brought into the computer for 3D modeling. We map everything within our 3D computer systems so we can actually see what the space looks like as our guests would experience it. This gives us a great opportunity to kind of really feel how the space is going to work for our guests each year. We can actually do a fly-through throughout the haunted house. These are wonderful tools for us to really get a guest point of view months prior to anything ever being constructed. And these elements bring us to the end of the design piece, and then we actually start construction, which is next.